used Daft Scots last year, and today I'm here to do a product review on L'Oreal's Filler Renew product range. Now, Beauty Bulletin was kind enough to send me 4 full-size beauty products to try out. Now, I was only expecting a couple of samples, so when I got my parcel in the mail I was super excited. It included the day cream, the anti-aging replumping night cream, the replumping serum, and the filler precision eye cream. Let's move on to the day cream. The day cream is also awesome. It is rich, it's nourishing, it's hydrating, it's really quite luxurious and thick. And if you look at the cream, it's almost like a souffle texture. Can you see there? It's thick and fluffy and nourishing, and you just want to eat it. Only downside about this product is it is really quite heavily fragranced. You can smell it the minute you open the jar. It is really quite, it's not a bad smell, it's actually quite lovely, but for those who suffer from sensitive skin and stay away from fragranced day creams, this might not be the one for you. However, I have quite a sensitive skin and I didn't notice any irritation. And just another thing about the day cream too, it's a great primer to use before your BB cream because it's non-greasy and it really gives you that instant boost of moisture that you need before you want to put that BB cream on and give that nice finished, photo finished look. So guys, be sure to go and check out my song that I sang on YouTube about the truth about aging, which is all about the L'Oreal Revitalift Renew range. Go check it out. Bye.
It's my L'Oreal product review. I wanna make you smile whenever you're sad, carry you around when your arthritis is bad. All I wanna do is grow old with you. I'll get you medicine when your tummy aches, build you a fire if the furnace breaks. Oh, it could be so nice growing old with you. I'll miss you, kiss you, give you my coat when you are cold, need you, feed you, or even let you hold the remote control. So let me do the dishes in our kitchen sink, put you to bed when you've had too much to drink. I could be the girl